not good. 3 million, 4 million. Hello, 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 everyone. $6 million. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Okay, I will watch. Is that new upload? Ah, this Sheng. Okay, I will check. Let's check Sheng. I will check. Ano, Angel. Ah, with Sheng TV. 28 million. But it didn't say the city where she is staying. Cosmic Adventures. Oh my god. Cherry Blossom. Oh, she got Taipei last 2 months ago. Wow, very windy outside. Her channel is 28,000. 28,000. Her views is 1 million. Yeah, I'm checking her channel now. Sheng TV. Thank you, Sister Beatrice. Thank you so much. Hi, good evening. It's already afternoon because 12:48. It's 12:48. Thank you, Sister Beatrice. She has karaoke singing on her stream in the evening. I don't like it's good to sing, but you get copyright. Not easy to get sing on the live stream because there is a copyright, or you get sharing revenue. Yeah, that's why sometimes I just do great screen. Thank you, 5 million. Sister Beatrice, thank you. $5 million, thank you. Let's see. I'll check your channel, sister. Ano daw? Oh, yeah. What time in Brazil right now, sister? What is your time now there? Morning? Is it morning from Brazil now? Sister Beatrice, is it good morning now? Oh, I'll watch your latest 5 days ago. Sige, see you again. Ingat ka dyan. Ay, salamat! Salamat, Dilshad! Sister Beatrice, thank you. 5 million, shout out! Thank you. Subscribe, guys. Sister Beatrice, watching your latest upload.